Good day, good day, good day. Fit and healthy family. Happy Monday. I'm back after a nice long hiatus that I really needed. And today I have a series of videos that I'm going to be posting throughout the day that are part of a series, a highly requested series. Um, I'm going to read a quote to you that inspired this post, and it's a quote by the late Ruth Bader Ginsburg. And she was born 1933. She just passed away. She said, "Fight for the things that you care about, but do it in a way that will lead others to join you." That was Ruth Bader Ginsburg. And so a lot of my clients have been complaining about the COVID pounds that they've packed on. And so I have decided to help them out with um, relatively higher carb, plant based, kind of raw, no cooking required meal plan just to get them jump started with their fat loss journey. As you all know, if you've been following me for a while, and for those who are new here, welcome. Thank you for joining us. I am a big advocate of lean protein, lean animal-based protein, and fiber as kind of the secret key to weight loss. However, I have learned that many people are having challenges. They're having trouble with wrapping their hearts and minds around that, and so we're gonna start here. All right. So what I have here is meal number one for this raw slash detox day. And what this is two bananas cut up and one Granny Smith apple peeled and cored and cut up. And I have a glass of lemon water. I think my sister-in-law got me this. My sister-in-law and brother, I love this. Time to wind down. But there's no wine in there. No, 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 no. There's just lemon water in there. So I filled the glass with water, maybe about 12 ounces, and squeezed a half a lemon in there. And 30 to 45 minutes before I will consume this, I take one of these glucose health tablets, and this helps to keep blood sugar under control. Okay. And then with the meal, I take one of these, and this helps with burning extra stored body fat. And full disclosure, I do have a website where I sell these products, and I eat my own cooking, as they say. I take what I sell. So yeah, and that is the meal. That's meal number one for this 3-day raw diet plan. Okay. And it was inspired by my clients who have been asking me for something that they can do without a lot of cooking, without a lot of prepping, to detox. And one of the best things that you can do to detox your body is to eat whole natural foods. Notice there is no protein here, and that's okay. This is a 3-day plan, and there is a little bit of a protein boost a little bit later in the day. So this is meal one. You would have this between 7 and 10 a.m. Meal two, I'll just give you a preview. It's going to be 2 cucumbers and 1 carrot. That'll be between 10 and noon, okay? And pretty much you eat something whole and natural that doesn't require a whole lot of cooking and prepping every couple of hours in this, so that you're not starving or anxious throughout the day, okay? But this is relatively lower protein. It's just a 3-day jump start. I would never do this for more than 3 days. I don't want to be losing my gains with my muscles. And you want to make sure that you incorporate about 30 to 45 minutes of exercise with this meal plan. So 30 to 45 minutes of brisk walking is sufficient. All right. Hope this helps you guys. And I'll see you in a couple of hours when I do meal number two, which is, like I said, 2 cucumbers and 1 carrot. But this is just 2 bananas and 1 apple. And I did peel and de-seed or core the apple. So I know that some people are big advocates of eating peels and seeds, and I don't think that that's a good idea. And if you want more information about that, check out Dr. Stephen Gundry's book, um, The Plant Paradox. He talks about lectins, these kind of anti-nutrients in peels and seeds when it comes to plants. All right, hope that helps. You have a great day. Bye-bye now.